A classic beef stew recipe. Origin and brief history. Beef stew is a hearty dish with roots in many cultures, where slow-cooking tough cuts of beef with vegetables and broth became a practical and flavorful way to prepare meals. Popularized in Europe, particularly in France and Ireland, it's now a global comfort food enjoyed for its rich, savory flavors and nourishing qualities. Ready for a beef stew that's so hearty and delicious? It'll warm you up from the inside out? This ultimate classic beef stew recipe is perfect for those chilly days when you need a comforting meal. Imagine tender beef, rich broth, and perfectly cooked vegetables all coming together in one pot. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's get started. So good, it'll make your mouth water and your taste buds dance with joy. Let's not waste any more time and dive right into the cooking process. First things first, dive in. Start by patting your 2 pounds of beef cubes dry. This step is crucial because it helps the beef brown better. Once the beef is dry, season it generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It's what gives the beef its initial burst of flavor. Your 2 pounds of beef cubes dry and seasoning them with salt and pepper. Next, we're going to coat the beef cubes in flour. This not only helps with browning but also thickens the stew later on. Coat them in 3 tablespoons of flour and shake off the excess. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. The oil should be shimmering before you add the beef. Brown the beef in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. This ensures that each piece gets a nice, even sear. Once browned, set the beef aside on a plate. In the same pot, we're going to build our flavor base. Sauté a diced onion and 3 minced garlic cloves till they're soft and fragrant. This should take about 5 minutes. Deglaze with 1 cup of red wine, extra points for sipping some while you cook. If you prefer, you can use more beef broth instead of wine. Scrape up those tasty brown bits from the bottom of the pot. They add incredible depth to the stew. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to cook off the alcohol and concentrate the flavors. Now, it's time to add the rest of our ingredients. Stir in 2 tablespoons tomato paste, which adds a rich umami flavor, and 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce for a bit of tang. Pour in 4 cups of beef broth to create the base of our stew. Don't forget your herbs. 1 teaspoon each of dried thyme and rosemary, plus 2 bay leaves. Return the browned beef to the pot, making sure it's submerged in the liquid. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 1 to 2 hours. This slow cooking process is what makes the beef incredibly tender and allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. After that, add 3 large carrots, 3 medium potatoes, and 2 celery stalks, all chopped into bite-sized pieces. Simmer another 30 to 40 minutes till the vegetables are tender and the stew has thickened to your liking. Taste and adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper if needed. And there you have it. Ladle the stew into bowls, garnish with fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness, and enjoy. Want more tasty tutorials? Hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest recipes and cooking tips. We love sharing our passion for food with you, and we hope you enjoy making this ultimate classic beef stew as much as we do. Happy cooking! Like and subscribe button. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a nice day!